Hello guys, this is Mayank Chawda with Team Microwear. So today we are going to demonstrate this particular test bench in front of you. As you know, we are customized PCB, FCT and ICT design and developer company in India, and we are delivering test automation in India as well as out of India. So let's start today's video and give you a brief about this particular test bench in front of you. So test bench is particularly integrated with the PLC and HMI based system and all the pogo pin, mechanical, electrical and electronics assembly and all complexity is done by Microwear. As we say in all the videos, we have in-house electrical, electronics, mechanical and mechatronics team member. You can see in this particular fixture. So we at a one roof designing a test automation as for our client and for our industrial partners as per their requirements. So let's start today's video and give you lots of brief about this particular test fixture. So this is a toggle operated test fixture. Here we can have the pneumatics fixture if required, because our client required toggle clamp based test fixture. We designed and developed this fixture. This is aluminum section based particular test structure. These are the linear bearings with linear rods. Here our pogo pin based test bench here where bed of nails are there, and all the connections are coming down to this particular test bench. So whenever a standalone test system is required where user can integrate lots of things into the fixture and lots of complex tests are required, where different types of modules are there and the module sizes are very high, then we recommend this kind of test bench for our clients, so that on a particular single bench you can see a whole control panel coming inside with the different of size, different of modules, different of relay networks. When having a lots of test sequence, so integrated test solution is very best for our client, rather than having a tabletop system and attaching all the other required hardwares with the external peripherals with the fixer. We recommend to have the test bench. So this is a very sturdy system. You can see a aluminum section based system here. You can see a bakelite based material. You can see a very sturdy structure for the industrial and rugged system, where 25,000 plus test cycles you can run on this test fixer. So yeah, this is a high power test system where 32 amperes of AC load is going to come here, and we are running a test sequence to measure the frequency, measure the current, measure the PWM, and measure the various analog points and measure the temperature also. And this system is second system. First we have already manufactured and give means it is already installed at our client side. This is second order for the high ampere capacity. So yeah, that was for the 16 ampere. This is for the 32 ampere of a particular zone of PCBA testing area. So we have also integrated one temperature sensor. So there is one temperature sensor on the PCB, where we need to check the sensor is giving perfect output or not. At that time we are rising the temperature from this particular temperature block, and we are sensing that this temperature is coming perfect or not. So you can see an insulated temperature block here, where heater is installed, where heater temperature sensor is installed, and from the variation when we put PCB here, this toggle clamp will come down, and this particular zone of the PCB will come in interaction with the temperature heating module. So we'll get the output of the temperature sensor of the PCBA. We cannot show the PCBA because it's a signed NDA with client, and we cannot release that part. So we can just give a brief on test bench so that our customer can get the idea. This is a HMI based system, so your user is going to scan the QR code here, and from that QR code all the data loggings will be done, and externally from the modbus communication we can dump this data to their server also. So this is a start button. When you are going to start the button, automatically test cycle is going to run. You can see a different test is going to run here and giving you the output of the result of this particular testing. So let's see inside of the particular testing panel what is inside here. So yeah, the tires are not locked, so you can see a complete very neat and clean wiring here. Here a temperature module for the temperature heating part. This is a PLC segment, this is a relay network, these are the CT and PTs which is giving the output for the 32 ampere, and relay zone, some isolation zones are there, switching elements are there, and power supplies are there. So you can see a complete setup of the control panel where neat and clean wiring with the PLC panel control wiring as well as the power wiring are there, and we are getting the output from the pogo pins, and that pogo pins output is coming to this particular zone of the control panel. So yeah, if you require this kind of test automation for your any final product or PCBA, then Microbe is there. We can give you the best out of the best solution because we have in-house everything, and we can deliver the test fixer within a very short time and within a short period with best out quality products. So if you have any such kind of requirement, you can contact Microbe. Our application engineer will interact with you, and we will get back to you with the required deliverables. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel so we get the motivation on to make the more videos. And if you want on particular zone of the video in particular system of the fixer on videos, so just comment on our video, we'll make that. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.